Hi, you guys. Just wanted to go over how to do the Khan Academy. So graphing, because the other ones I think my lessons did pretty well on it, but I wanted to go over this one. This was the second of the graphing ones you need to do. So graphing from a linear standard form. So it says there's only 4 questions. So remember, you do want to get a 75% or higher, which means you want to get 3 out of those 4 right. All right. So the nice thing is you can write on this one, or you can write on another piece of paper. I'm just going to do it right here, but oops. Oops, no. It had me go. Okay. All right. We want to do this one. Sometimes you push the wrong button, goes that way. Okay, so I'm going to move it up. I'm going to touch the writing one, and you're going to be able to see you can write. It isn't the nicest because you have to really work on it, but it can help you. So write the equation first. Remember our first step, move x to the other side. So I'm adding the 9x. See, I told you it's not the easiest to write with. These will cross out, and so we get 5y. Ooh, that's much nicer. Now, I do not want to see 54x up here. These are not the same. So 9x plus, because 45 is positive right there, over 45. Next step, get y by itself. If you can simplify, you do it. 9/5 will not simplify. You do not want it as a decimal. You actually want it in the fraction. And 45 divided by 5 is 9. So our first step, move the first dot to 9. And you want to go up 9 to the right 5. Here, you can't really go up 9 to the right 5. So we're going to do the opposite, because if it was going to go this way, it's going to go that up. Oops, doesn't want to let you go up. It would go up in this direction. So if you can't go in that direction, we're going to go the opposite. So go down 9 to the right, to the left, sorry, to the left 5. This is the only time you're going to do it the opposite direction, when you can't actually graph it. And you can see we got it. Go on to the next one. I'm just going to move. There we go. All right. So I'm going to go negative 2x plus y equals 8. This one's probably the easiest one of all because there's nothing in front of y. All we need to do is move the x to the other side. That is a 2. These cross off. We get 2x plus 8. So we're going to move this one to 8. Remember, this is a fraction, so up 2 to the right 1, but the calculator, this one won't let us do it. So go down 2 to the left 1. It would still do it. So you can actually see the dot right here. It is right there. So it's up 2 over 1. And we get it. Ooh, bigger numbers now. So we're going to write it. 14x plus 21y equals 84. And I do know these can all be divided by 7, so this is going to be a little bit easier. So we're going to add 14, move the x to the other side. And there's always more than one way to do this, but this is the method I think that's the easiest. And you guys all know I like to do the easiest one of it I can, and then I stay consistent to it with you guys. That is a 4. Then to get y by itself, it's supposed to be a 2. 2. All right. We really don't want to go up 14 to the right 21. So what I'm going to do is divide both of these by 7, because they're both multiples of 7. So if I divide this one by 7, I'm going to get 2 over 3x. And then if I do 84 divided by 21, and you can get it out on your calculator, we're going to get this to be plus 4. So we're going to start, the first dot is at 4, up 2 to the right 3. And we get it. Okay, so right now I have 75%. I just want to go for one to get 100%. So last one. Let's move that up. There we go. We're going to go negative 7x plus 5y equals 35. Move the x to the other side. Y equals 7x plus 35, because that 35 is positive. Now get y by itself. So we're going to go y equals 7/5, because that can't reduce. 35 divided by 5 is 7, went a little ahead. So we're going to go up to 7. Now, I can't go up 7 to the right 5, so you're going to do the opposite. Go down 7. Come on. Down 7 to the left 5. Because if we look at the top of our graph up here, it's still going to keep going up and up. All right, and that's how you do it. And if you notice, that didn't take me very long to do those 4 problems. You should be able to do all of these pretty easily. You can even do all the lessons in one day. I will do a check for understanding at the end of the week. Good luck, you guys.